Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm the CMO and co-founder of Exact Inc. We are now just 2 days away from launching Higzometer 2.0, and as our teams are finalizing their QA testing, we are going to get tactical. Today, I'm going to share some of the most expensive lessons I've learned in e-commerce and how you can avoid these from burning a hole in your pocket. So imagine you have an ad campaign running on your website, and you're paying on average $1 a click. But it's okay, because your product gets a good conversion rate and your profit margin covers the ad cost. Then one day, out of the blue, you get a notification from Google Ads that one of your ads was disapproved and is no longer running. So you check your landing page, and it turns out something happened to the URL, and your ad campaign spent thousands of dollars in the last week alone, sending potential customers to a non-existent page. Higzometer provides peace of mind by enabling you to monitor your key landing pages, as well as your most important services, such as your email servers, API endpoints, third-party services, every minute, and get alerts in real time when something goes wrong. Higzometer 2.0 takes availability monitoring to the next level, featuring more insights, beautiful charts, and customizable status pages you can white label with your own brand. We're also introducing 3 new advanced monitors in our higher plans. These provide comprehensive coverage, enabling you to avoid common blind spots. Next up, we have a brand new section in Higzometer called User Experience. Now imagine you have spent hours crafting the perfect product page. You pass the images and content to your team to add to your website. Then a few months later, a customer tells you they wanted to buy, but images were all messed up. You go check the product page, and it turns out a recent WooCommerce update installed a few weeks ago caused a visual bug on all your product pages when viewed on a mobile device. And to make matters worse, you notice lots of embarrassing spelling mistakes that have been lingering for months. Our new user experience section now lets you track key metrics and works like your very own QA team, checking your pages across different device types for rendering issues or visual bugs. But that's not all. Higzometer can now also catch typos and embarrassing spelling mistakes whilst you sleep. You can run in-depth reports for any page, and our Smart Check feature will periodically check important, new, or updated pages for peace of mind. Next up, we have performance. According to Google, the probability of a visitor bouncing, in other words, leaving immediately without taking any action, increases by 32% when your page takes up to 3 seconds to load, and increases by 90% when it takes up to 5 seconds, compared to a sub-1 second page load. If your pages take longer than a few seconds to load, you're potentially losing 9 out of 10 visitors right out of the gate. To make matters worse, we live in a mobile-first world, where the majority of visits are now made on a mobile device, with varying connection speeds, making website performance an important deciding factor. In fact, it's so important to Google that they recently announced page load speed will become a key ranking factor in 2021. Our new performance section has your back and provides a top-level view of your performance metrics, such as average page load speed, Google Web Vitals such as LCP, cumulative layout shift, and blocking time. You can then run in-depth performance reports on demand for any page. And our Smart Check feature periodically checks important, new, or updated pages for peace of mind. Our in-depth performance reports include a full suite of Google Web Vitals, as well as a waterfall page load analysis, which helps you pinpoint issues and opportunities. Right, we covered a lot in this video, and I look forward to sharing more insights tomorrow on how you can prevent website health, SEO, and security issues from taking down your business. If you have any questions, feature requests, don't forget to join our Higzometer and HexaWatch Facebook group, where we will be answering all your questions and provide further updates. See you in the next video.